Hello everyone, welcome back to the SoftwareHope channel. If you are a short-form video creator, a reel creator, or a YouTube creator, paying attention for the next few minutes could cut your editing time in half. Today, I'm testing an AI tool called CaptionBolt.com. It claims to generate professional, styled video captions in just 2 minutes. Let's dive in, explore the entire platform step by step, and see if it lives up to the hype or if it's just marketing. To get started, click the Login button at the top right of CaptionBolt.com. You can log in using your personal email, a magic link, a passkey, or directly with your Google account. Once logged in, you enter a clean and simple dashboard. In the middle, you'll see the Upload box. CaptionBolt supports all major video formats like MP4 and MOV up to 2 GB or up to 200 MB on the free plan. Click Choose a Video, select your raw video file, and hit Open. Before processing, you can choose your video's spoken language. It supports over 99 languages, including English, Hindi, and regional accents, or you can leave it on Auto Detect. Select your language, click Create Video, and your upload will begin. Once processed, the editor opens with your video preview on the left and the customization panel on the right. Under the Captions tab, you get access to thousands of pre-made caption templates categorized by style, like social hype, storytelling, professional, or music. Pick any preset, then click Customize to fine-tune it. Under Font and Size, you can select from built-in fonts, change font weight, or adjust font size. Under Colors, you can customize your main text color, background colors, and accent colors for active words. Under Layout and Position, you can use alignment toggles, top, middle, or bottom, or the vertical position slider to precisely position your text. And under Animations and Effects, you can apply text outlines, shadows, and word entrance animations like pop, fade, pulse, or slide. Next is the Text Editor tab. This displays your full video transcript with exact timestamps. The AI auto-syncs the audio to the text perfectly. However, if you want to edit or merge text blocks, you can right-click any short sentence segment and click Join with Previous Caption to stack short phrases into a single line. You can also easily hide captions or remove specific video segments directly from the transcript. Under Resize, you can instantly reframe horizontal videos into 9:16 vertical shorts for TikTok, Instagram Stories, and YouTube Shorts, or 1:1 for LinkedIn. You can fill background margins with Smart Blur, solid colors, or cropped framing. Under the Cover tab, CaptionBolt offers an AI cover generator. Select a tone like clickbait, professional, or storytelling, and click Generate. The AI instantly creates eye-catching intro cover titles and templates to hook your viewers from frame 1. Here are 3 power user features inside the tool. First, Auto B-roll. Click Auto Add B-roll, and CaptionBolt analyzes your transcript, extracts keywords, and automatically inserts matching stock video clips into blank pauses. Second, Logo overlay. Go to Logos to upload your brand watermark, adjust its position, and set opacity levels. Third, the Progress bar. Under Progress bar, toggle on a custom playback bar. You can adjust its color, thickness, opacity, and vertical screen position to match your channel branding. Finally, under Social Posts, click Regenerate All Posts. CaptionBolt's AI reads your transcript and automatically writes ready-to-copy social captions, descriptions, and relevant hashtags tailored for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. You can also hit Generate Summary for a complete video recap. Finally, under Templates, if you like the exact layout, logo, and subtitle styles you just built, click Save Current Setup. Name your template and save it to reuse across all future videos. Let's briefly walk through the left sidebar navigation. Projects displays all your active, draft, and completed video renders. Transcripts lets you view or export standalone transcripts and subtitles. Fonts lets you upload custom brand font files up to 10 megabytes. Usage tracks your available minutes, processed videos, and usage history. Support lets you easily submit bug reports or support tickets directly to the team. And Account Settings lets you manage security, billing, and general account details. Now, let's check the pricing plans. The free plan gives you 10 minutes per month, 200 megabytes uploads, up to 720 or 1080p export, but it includes a small CaptionBolt watermark. The starter plan, at $6 a month, gives you 60 minutes per month, 500 megabytes uploads, 4K export, and no watermark. Great for beginners. The Pro and Max plans, ranging from $12 to $25 a month, offer up to 1,000 minutes per month, larger file size limits up to 2 gigabytes, and simultaneous multi-video processing. My final thoughts? Overall, CaptionBolt is an incredible time saver for content creators. The subtitle animations are smooth, auto B-roll is surprisingly accurate, and the automated social post generator adds immense value. The only minor drawback is that uploading very large files can occasionally lag depending on your internet connection. Beyond that, it's a solid 9 out of 10 tool. Check it out at CaptionBolt.com. Try the free plan and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to SoftwareHope for more AI tech reviews.